Chapter we are going to discuss about the plants and the animals. Let's start with first question. Dash is a method in which plants are grown without the use of soil in water containing nutrients. This method is known as hydroponics. Option B is right answer here. Okay. Option A, hydroponic. What is hydroponic? Hydroponic are usually used in the garden or farm system. Okay, actually these are the products which provide hydrogen and electrolytes to the plant. These are known as hydroponics. Okay, they provide hydrogen and electrolytes. Third one is hydrogeology. Hydrogeology is the study of groundwater. Okay, study of groundwater is known as hydrogeology. And fourth one is hydroseology, that is study of interaction between the ecological system and water. Ecological system and water. But right answer for our question, that is the grown without the use of soil, is option B only. Next question is, the group of animals is warm-blooded. Their bodies are covered with the hair or fur. They give birth to the young ones that are carried in pouch and produce milk. Okay, after this line I think you can guess the animal name. But what are they called? What is this type of categories called? After this line I think you can make a picture in your mind, that is kangaroo. Okay, but this type of koala is also this type of animal. They also carry their baby in the pouch. Okay, these type of animal called marsupials. Option A is right answer here. Okay, option B, ungulates. These are four-footed mammals with their toes modified into hard flexible covering, that is called hoof. They have hoof. Okay, and this type of animals are like cow, like horses. You can see their foot. Okay, their foot are how this type? These are the hard flexible foots. Okay, so they are known as hoof. C is equine. Equine is actually adjective word for horses. So horse-like animals are known as equines. Okay, horse-like. Fourth one is chiropterians. These are hand modified into wings like, yes, hands modified into wings like bats. Okay, they are flying mammal actually. Flying mammals. Bats are mammal and they are flying mammals because their hands are modified into wings. They are known as chiropterians. Okay, but for our question the answer is marsupials. Option A is right answer here. Next is, after a mother bird lays egg, she must warm them till they hatch. She must warm them till they hatch. What is the time from laying an egg to the hatching? This hatching time of the egg is called, this is called incubation period. Option B is right answer here. Okay. Gestation period. This is the gestation period of the mammals, basically humans or mammals. In mother womb, the time taken for developing fetus to mature. Fetus to mature time, which is happen in the womb, mother womb. That is called gestation period. Like in humans, the gestation period is 280 days or 40 weeks almost. Okay. Third one is quarantine period. Yes, we just faced the quarantine period before 2-3 years, when there was the COVID-19 spread all over the world. Okay, so what is quarantine? This period is actually animal or human which have contagious disease. They are separate from the others. Okay, that for why they are separate? For protecting to spread. That time is called quarantine period. Okay, and fourth one is procrastination period. This is actually the time duration which an individual delay or postpone for their task which they intend to complete. That is known as procrastination period. Okay, but for our question, for hatching period, term is incubation. Option B is right answer here. Question 4 is the bark of cinchona tree is medicinally active, containing a variety of alkaloids like quinine and quinidine, which are used to cure certain disease. Which of the following disease can be cured using quinine? Yes, quinine. You know that in your science book you have already read this. This is the curable disease of malaria by quinone, okay, or quinine. So option A is right answer here. Next is, which of the following body parts of the fennec fox help to dissipate heat and keep cool down its body? Do you know what is fennec fox? Look at this. This is the picture of fennec fox, okay, and you can see that this big ears, okay, these large ears used for the what? For help to dissipate heat or keep cool down, okay. Option A is right answer here. You can see that her thick furs, option B here, thick furs, they are protect from the cold in the night, and they maintain their temperature in the daytime because they live in desert. In desert, nights are very cold but days are very hot, okay. So for both the time, day and night, these thick fur protect them, okay. Third one is hairy feet, and hairy feet, you know that in desert sand there is a very loose sand, okay, so it is very difficult to move on the sand, but these hairy feet help them to move on the sand easily, okay. So right answer here is large ear for dissipate heat or keep cool down their body. Option is right answer here. Option 6, question 6 is, who among these children give an incorrect statement? Option A, Ria, a banana plant has a green soft stem, it is a herb. This is right. Amit, watermelon is a climber plant. No, watermelon is not climber plant. It's a creeper plant, okay, not climber. Do you know now what are creeper or climber? Climb up to with the help of another plant, okay, and then they grow, and creepers grow along with the ground, okay, like watermelon or pumpkins, they all are creeper, they grow along with ground, okay. So this statement is wrong, or right answer here, option B. Third one is Saurav, maize, wheat and barley are plants with a fibrous root, right. Priya, stem, leaves, buds and flowers are included in the shoot system of the plant, right. So incorrect statement is option B only. Next is question 7. Animal like owls and badgers which are active during the night are said to be nocturnal. What are the animals that are active during the twilight called? These animals are called, option B, crepuscular is the right answer here. Option A is the diurnal. These are the active during day like birds. These are known as, okay, diurnal. Active in daytime only. Active in daytime. Okay. Third one is the matutinal. These are the animals which are active in the early morning, or you can say dawn time active. Okay. You know what is dawn and dusk time? Dawn is when first time in a day light appears just before sunrise. That period of time is known as dawn, okay. Like hen, they are active at that time, okay. These type of hen type of animals are known as matutinal, okay. Fourth one is vespertine. Vespertine is the time when the animal active in the evening, or you can say dusk time, that is the evening time where the animal is activate, and dusk is the time of the day when the sky darken just after sunset, okay. That time is known as dusk, and at that time this type of animal will activate, okay. But for nocturnal animal, okay, right answer is crepuscular. Option B is right answer here. Next question is, the unripe seed pod of the given plant is used to obtain a milky fluid which is scraped off and air dried to produce a gum or resin like substance. This substance is further proceed to obtain a very powerful pain reliever cold. That is called morphine. Option B is right answer here. Okay. Option A, marijuana. This is used for nausea actually. Okay. And option C, chloroform. Chloroform is used for unconsciousness stage. Okay. We all know that unconsciousness we use chloroform. And paracetamol, very common, that is for fever. Okay, for temperature, if your body is high temperature, then you can use paracetamol. Okay, but for right answer, our question is option B, morphine. Next question is, this dog is famous for high intelligence with noble character. It is known for a large size, courage and confidence, and also its ability to learn commands. It is used to serve variety of roles including police work, search and rescue operations and military work. Identify the name of the dog. This is the German Shepherd. Option C is right answer here. First option is Chpter. That dog is known for its speed. For speed, they are known. Okay. Second one is Mudhol Horned. Horned word is came from hunting. Okay, horned dogs are mainly used for the hunting. So Mudhol Horned is known for its hunting. And second thing is the due to loyalty. Due to this dog loyalty, we use it for guarding. Okay. And next is polygon horned. Here is also again for horned. It means this dog is also used for the hunting. Okay, but for what? This is the loyal dog, so we use it for the guarding. And polygon has an excellent eyesight. Okay, so that's why for its excellent eyesight, elegance and loyalty, we use it for the hunting. Okay, and this dog, this polygon horned dog is also known as Raja Plam Horned. Okay, so right answer here is German Shepherd, option C. Next is question 10, that is dendrocronide morides is one of the most painful plant. Okay, as it is produce a neurotoxin similar to that of a spider that can cause extremely painful sting and leave victims suffering for weeks when they touch it. It is commonly found in rainforest of Australia and some Asian nations. The plant is commonly called. This plant is commonly called stinging tree. Option B is right answer here. Okay. Option A, crabeye. Crabeye is a plant that is rosary pea. Okay. This is known as crabeye plant. Actually, they have seed which has black spot. Okay, they have red color seeds with black spots like the shape of eye, so that they are known as crabeye plant. Okay, third one is C, devil's cherry. Actually, devil's cherry is a poisonous plant that is known as for its dark cherries like berries. Okay, they have dark colored berries, but they are poisonous. That's why they are known as devil's cherry. Okay, and last one, blister bush. Blister bush is a South African plant which can cause blisters on the skin. Okay, when they come into touch. So blister spots. Okay, that will become on the skin. That's why they are known as blister bush. But for our question, right answer is stinging tree. Option B is right answer here. Next is, this nut can be sweet or bitter and its oil is used in cosmetics, aromatherapy and in making marzipan. USA is the top producer of it. Name this nut. This nut is almond. Option B is right answer here. Okay. Option A, pine nut. Pine nuts are the nuts which are used in salads. Okay, and mainly in the baking. Okay. As a sprinkler they use in the baking items. Okay, so it is also known as baking good. Okay, for pine nut. Option B, groundnut. Groundnut is very rich source of nutrients. Okay, and they also provide protein and fat. So it is used in many items, and its oil is also used in the cooking. Okay. Third one is cashew nut. Cashew nut, actually they are mainly used in the sunscreens. If I am talking about the cosmetics, so cashew nuts are used in sunscreens, and in many cuisines they are used as a snack, be it cashew nut. Okay. But for our question, right answer is question 12. These crustaceans or animals with hard shells are called decapods, which means they have 10 legs, that are decapods. The one pair of legs have enlarged pincers which help them grasp and tear their food. Which of the following is a decapod? That is lobster, which is decapod or 10-leg animal. Grasshopper is a hexapod. It has 6 legs. Okay, so we know it as a hexapod. Spider have 8 legs. Octopus also have 8 legs, but they are not known as octopod because they have 8 legs. Okay, we known as cephalopods. Okay, cephalopods. Both of them are known as cephalopods. So right answer for decapod is option B. Next is, these camels have 2 humps and have shaggy coat, which help them keep out the bitter cold wind of the Mongolian desert where they live. What are these camels called? These camels are called Bactrians camels. Option A is right answer here. Option B, llamas. Actually they are used for their wool. Okay, and also people use for them for meat. They are South American animals. Okay. Third one is alpacas. Alpacas is also used for their fleece. Okay, their fleece is very warm, so they manufacture the coat from their fleece. In all over the world, almost 22 type of color they have for alpaca's fleece and made the coat. Okay. Option D, dromedary. Dromedary is a Arabian camel. Okay, it has 1 hump, but the Bactrians have 2 hump camel. So option A is right answer here. Next question is, this is a cactus species that is native to the Western Hemisphere. It is known for its beautiful small flowers. It is commonly known by different names like fish hook and showball. Identify it. These are known as Mammillaria. Option B is right answer here. Option A, saguaro. Actually these are tree-like cactus. Okay, saguaro is tree-like cactus, big cactus. And option C, moon cactus. Actually that is found in the South America. Due to lack of chlorophyll, they expose in the red, orange, yellow pigments also. Okay, they are known as moon cactus because they have lack of chlorophyll. That's why they are not appear completely in green. They have shallow green color, or you can say that a shady green color, but mostly they appear in the red color, orange color, yellow color. Okay. Last one is golden barrel cactus. This is also known as golden ball. Okay, and it found in the northern hemisphere. But right answer for our question, answer option B is right answer here. Next is, the tails of many monkeys are said to prehensile. What does the meaning of prehensile? Prehensile means is, yes, that is the meaning of capable of grasping. Option B is right answer here. Okay. Next is, the change in the heritable traits of plant and animals over successive generation is called, that is called evolution. Option B is right answer here. Option A is domestication. What is domestication? That is the where human adopt plant, okay, for over some time from their wild state, often through selective breeding, to live in close association. Okay, that is the only for the human benefit. Okay, they do the poultry farming, they use animal for milk products. Okay, So this is known as domestication. Option C, gestation. I already told you in previous question what is gestation. That is the period in which embryo develop in the mother womb. Okay, that time is known as gestation. For human, that time is 280 days gestation period or 40 weeks. Okay. Fourth one is extinction. Extinction means that that is referred to end of an organism or a group of organism which is ended or going to be end. That is known as extinct species. Okay, there are so many extinct species on the earth. So right answer for our question is option B, evolution. Next is, which of the following statement is true about the rainforest? Let's check which statement is true. Option A, these are found in the region of hot and steamy climate. Absolutely right. Option B, these are known for rich biodiversity and oldest living ecosystem. Absolutely right. Next is, these are luxuriance forest generally composed of broad-leaved tree with annual rainfall of more than 1800 mm. Absolutely right. All of these are the right answer here. I think you have already studied rainforest in your SST book. Okay, there's the chapter forest and all 5 or 6 type of forest there are explained. Okay, one of them is rainforest or you can say evergreen forest. Okay, so option D is right answer here. Question 18 is, the blue-antlered deer is an endangered species found in Kebul Lamjao National Park in Manipur. It is the only natural habitat of the deer in India. What is the local name of this deer? Local name of this deer is option C, Sangai. Option C is right answer here. Kakad is actually that is also known as barking deer, because when they are in danger they make sound like bark. Okay, that's why they are known as barking deer. They are actually Indian muntjac. Option B, nilgai. Nilgai is also known as blue cow. Okay, they are thin leg antelope and their appearance is like horse. Okay, and their color is blue. That's why they are known as nilgai. And option D, cheetal. Cheetal is a spotted deer. Okay, they have spots on their body. They are known as spotted deer. Okay. In IUCN they are red listed. Red list का मतलब क्या है? That is least concerned animal. Okay, they does not concerned about this animal because this is not endangered species, you can say. Okay, nilgai is also in IUCN list is red listed. Nilgai also is red listed. Cheetal is red listed. It means they are least concerned from the IUCN. Okay, but here option C is right answer, Sangai. Next question is, anteater are toothless insect eating mammals. They capture their prey by inserting their tongues into insect nests that they have torn open the long, sharp curved claws of their front feet. On which of the following the insect they feed? Option A, fleas, right. C, termite is also right. So both B and C are the right answer here. Okay. Actually, these are the small insect. They feed themselves by human blood or animals. Okay. So these are both B and C, fleas and termite are the right answer here. Okay. Next question is, plantation crops refer to monoculture crop which are cultivated on an extensive scale over a large area. Which of the following usually grown in plantation farming? These are the, yes, coffee is grown in the plantation farming. Okay, and wheat is not included in the plantation farming, but rubber is included in the plantation farming. So both A and C are right answer here. So D is right answer. Wheat is actually cultivated from the farms. Okay, they are cultivated as diversified farming. Okay, but they are not planted as plantation farming. Here coffee and rubber is right answer. There is also tea is also included in the plantation farming. Okay, so option D is right answer here. Next is, some plants have medicinal value that can cure ailments. Reshuffle the letter to get the name of the plant and select the incorrect match from the following. Let's reshuffle. First one is clove. Second one is cumin. Third one is this is bhringraj. And these none of this. So clove. Clove is used for toothache. Yes, in the ancient time, people use clove for their toothache. That has medicinal value. Cumin is for indigestion. This is also correct. Cumin is also used for the indigestion in the ancient time. Because cumin also have medicinal values. And for hair loss, we use bhringraj. This is also absolutely right. So none of these is the incorrect match. So option D is right answer here. Next is, what is the common character of organism listed below? Common character. Here are ants, spider, octopus, amoeba and starfish. So option A, they all live in water. No, ant does not live in water. Spider does not live in water. So this is wrong. They all lack backbone. It means they don't have backbone, or they are invertebrates. Okay. So ant does not have, spider does not have, octopus does not have, amoeba and starfish, they all don't have, they all are lack of backbone or don't have backbone. So option B is, I think, right answer here. Option C, they all have scales on their body. This is right. Sorry, this is incorrect. They all do not have scales on their body. Okay. So they all lay eggs. No, amoeba does not lay eggs. Okay. Their reproduction system is totally different from the others. So this is not correct. Option B, they all lack bone. This is right answer here. Next is, unscramble the letter given in the box to find the name of tree and select the incorrect statement regarding it. Tree name is sequoia. Okay. Option A, it is a coniferous evergreen tree. This is right. This is an evergreen tree. Coniferous. The wood of this tree is used to make matchsticks. This is absolutely right. The largest of these trees is called General Sherman. This is absolutely right. Option D, the chemical tannin present in its root make it quite vulnerable to insect. This is not correct. Actually, they are also known as for their resistance to insect. Okay. They are insect resistant. Okay, insect resistant. And tannin actually help them to protect from the insect. Okay, so this is wrong statement and right answer here. Next question is, how many tree species are found in the montane forest that are listed in the given box? So let's check. First one is chestnut, that is the species of montane forest. Pine is also, spruce is also, mahogany, actually this belongs to evergreen or rainforest. Okay, this belongs to evergreen forest. Cedar is the montane forest. Juniper is also, birch is also, ebony is also evergreen forest tree. Rosewood belongs to evergreen. This is also belongs to evergreen forestry. Okay. Sal belongs to deciduous. Okay. And khair is from thorn forest. And hugla is, I think, from mangrove. Okay, mangrove forest. So right answer here only 6. Okay, so 6, option A is right answer here. Next question is, identify X and Y from the given information and select the correct option. One is, rodent use their sharp chisel like X to gnaw foods. Yes. Which teeth they use? They use incisors. Do you know that? All over the life, okay, their incisor grow. Okay, they all over the life they grow. They chew, basically they gnaw food. Because of that, they want to grind their teeth. Okay, that's why they gnaw food. These are the incisor teeth. Okay, from incisor teeth they gnaw food. Option B. Second is, carnivorous animals use their pointed, curved and sharp why to eat their flesh. That is, yes, we all know that canine teeth. They are used for tearing the flesh. I think you have already studied about the teeth. There we have 4 type of teeth in our mouth. Front teeth are known as incisor teeth, okay, and side teeth after incisor they are known as canines, and after that there is premolars and molar. In the end we have molars, okay. Incisor is the front teeth, okay, they are used for biting actually. Canine is used for tearing, yes, flesh or meat. Premolars for chewing or grinding, and molars also for further chewing and grinding. So right answer here are incisor canines. Option B is right answer here. So kids, here we learn about the first chapter, plants and animals. Repeat this video, learn all the questions and their options also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.